What is going on, everyone? Mr. Tightlines here. I'm back. Look at all this snow. It's not ice fishing. It's new rig testing day. We got the Bonafide PWR 129 coupled with a Motor Guide XI3 pinpoint system. This has been a long time coming. I cannot wait to take this out. I'm not going to give you guys my thoughts entirely on this yet until I get some use of it, but I'm here. This snow was actually all gone a few days ago, and then we got hit in the north with a random storm, and you know, it is what it is, but hopefully I at least get the shakedown and maybe get it slimed up for the first time of the year. Hope to see you out there. Let's go. Large or small? Yes! Yes, Todd! On my way, buddy. I'll come up on your left, I guess. Yeah! That's got to be close to 4, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's got it. He's probably 4. Yeah, that's a good fish.
Yeah! I can't wait to weigh it and get this jerkbait off my arm.
312.
No way!
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. 314.
Must be short, maybe? Yeah. That's all. But, considering we didn't think we were going to catch one. Oh, that's a good shot. That came out all right.
Dude, 19.
Yes.
In a quarter.
Yeah.
No, 18.75 with this.
Nice job, buddy. Oh.
There he is.
There it is, dude. Yes. Nice job, buddy. Hold on, let me see. In case I don't touch one today. Come on, bud. You're free.
He's like,
You're free. Go ahead.
Like I'm cold. That way, actually, now. Yeah, you're gonna be. And you're gonna come over him as you get closer, but.
Should I get there faster?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
You in there, bud?
Nothing, huh?
Yeah, no.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God.
You got him.
Yep. Just barely. Oh, my net.
Oh, we got him.
Oh, I didn't put my friggin' net in place. It's been there the whole time.
All right.
Yep. Yeah, I have a swim bait that's sticking out of it. What a conundrum. Got him though.
Oh, yeah, nice.
It's a largie and he's probably 2 pounds. 2.5 maybe. That was awesome.
I saw him there, dude.
That was great, dude. Find the fish, cast to the fish, get the fish. You know what? I have more deck here than I ever used to. I can put my swim baits right there. Look at that. We got the first fish in the boat. Slime it up. Slime it up. Hit it.
Take a picture, just give me a second.
There it is. Oh, I didn't strap that down. I gotta strap that down. Whoops. Glad I didn't flip. Yes. About 17.25.
Not bad.
Nope. Not bad, dude. Not bad for a first fish. It's better than what I thought it was going to be for a first fish.
You know what? If you told me you were going to average 17.25 for every tournament.
There it is. First one.
First one. On the flower.
It has been done. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Dude, hold on a sec. All right, I'll get one with you with the whole boat. Click. And then I'm going to get one just of you. Good. 4-pounder. First 4 of the year, Todd. Nice job, bud. All right, I'm going to promote retrieve. Did I not make it far enough? Okay, let me move. Is it still there? So with these ultra cold waters here in New Hampshire in the first of the spring, it was very nice to have Livescope with Todd, and he was able to just clear out dead water, find bait, find fish, and we were able to key in on those fish. He literally pointed them out, and I found them. I'll send a cast. You were saying?
Yep, I saw it.
Oh, it's 5. Is it a 5? No, never mind. It just had a big mouth. It just had a big mouth.
I watched that dude come out of the water.
It just came at me with a big mouth. It's 4, maybe.
Yeah, it's another good fish, dude.
Oh, this is a good fish. That's a good fish. So for length, 20.
Yeah.
He went 20.
Is he gonna hit it?
Yep, 20 exactly.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, I love that new clip.
Is it?
4 even. 4 even.
All right.
Yeah, this new clip is dope. That clip is badass. Yeah. Here it is. 4 pounds. Get on out of there, girl. Go on, go on, go on. Stop acting like you're dead. Zoom. Oh, really? Well, still, would have added to the limit. Yeah, we still do, don't we? I haven't checked the time lately. I should set an alarm, but I'll sure you be on that. Oh, that's not bad. Yep. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. It's a largemouth. It's probably 14, 15 inches. Got it. Yes. First non-forward facing sonar fish. Granted, it is left over from when you said you saw one that way. I made a couple extra casts that way. Yeah, you're a legal catch. What are you, 14, 15 inches? Here, let me actually see what it would be like to do this properly, because I haven't done this yet. An actual, let me pretend I'm doing an actual tournament. Get an actual tournament measurement here. $16.5. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, getting some flies, that's for sure. Tons of them. I actually just got bit by 1, 2. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. They're everywhere.
The little white one?
The black. Oh my God, fuck, ow. They're biting. They're biting up. No, seriously, what the f? Dude, are you not in any of this? What the f? Holy sh. Yeah, are you not in this? Something went up? Oh, fish? Oh. Yeah, buddy. Good job, bud. Oh. Nice, man. Means it's gonna turn back on, right?
17.75.
Dude! Hell yeah. Nice, dude. I lost it on my trolling motor. Huh. There you have it. Time to get off the water. Good first session out, really. A couple 4-pounders. Breaking in the new kayak. It was a good time. It's got some things to get used to, but overall I really like it. I'm excited for this year. If you guys like the video, please leave it a like. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, dislike it, but leave me a comment. Let me know what you don't like. Speaking of feedback, any feedback for the channel? I know more uploads would be probably the biggest bit of feedback you have, but my life is difficult, so I upload when I can. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. There's going to be a ton of content this year. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep those lines tight.